Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews first. Are you looking for the top 5 best washing machines in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best washing machines in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The SpaceAid Washer Dryer Countertop is a smart and stylish solution for organizing your laundry area. Designed to fit securely over standard washers and dryers, this durable wood shelf topper measures 54 inches wide by 27.5 inches deep, providing ample surface space for folding clothes, storing detergent, or placing laundry essentials. The raised edge guard helps prevent items from slipping off during use, keeping your space neat and safe. Crafted from high-quality engineered wood, the countertop offers excellent stability and long-lasting performance while adding a clean, modern look to your laundry room. Its smooth surface is easy to wipe clean and resistant to everyday wear. Whether you have a compact laundry nook or a full-sized room, this countertop maximizes unused space and improves efficiency. Easy to install and versatile in function, the SpaceAid Washer Dryer Countertop is an ideal organizer for anyone looking to upgrade their laundry setup with both practicality and style. Number 2. The Gashell Washer Dryer Countertop is a stylish and practical solution for enhancing laundry room organization. Measuring 27.5 inches by 54 inches, this countertop fits securely over most standard washers and dryers, instantly creating a spacious and stable work surface. Crafted from high-quality bamboo, it offers excellent durability, moisture resistance, and long-lasting performance, making it ideal for everyday laundry tasks. Finished in an elegant retro brown color, the countertop adds warmth and a timeless aesthetic that complements both modern and classic laundry room designs. The smooth surface is perfect for folding clothes, sorting laundry, or placing detergent, baskets, and decor items without clutter. Thoughtfully designed anti-slip pads help keep the countertop firmly in place while protecting your appliances from scratches. Eco-friendly and easy to maintain, the Gashell Bamboo Washer and Dryer Countertop combines sustainability with functionality. Whether you're upgrading a small laundry area or looking to improve efficiency and organization, this countertop provides a clean, organized, and visually appealing solution that transforms your laundry routine into a more comfortable and efficient experience. Number 3. Upgrade your laundry space with the ZYKZYK upgraded 2-tier washer and dryer countertop, designed to add function, organization, and style. Measuring 54 inches wide by 27.6 inches deep, this large laundry countertop creates a sturdy, seamless surface for folding clothes, sorting laundry, or placing baskets and supplies. The smart 2-tier design maximizes vertical space, keeping detergents, fabric softeners, and decor neatly organized while freeing up valuable room below. Built with durability in mind, the laundry topper sits securely on most standard washer and dryer sets, helping reduce vibration and clutter. Integrated power outlets bring modern convenience, allowing you to plug in irons, steamers, or charging devices right where you need them. Clean lines and a practical finish blend effortlessly with modern or traditional laundry rooms. Whether you're upgrading a small utility area or creating a more efficient laundry station, the ZYKZYK 2-tier countertop delivers everyday convenience, improved organization, and a polished, professional look to your home for daily household use. Number 4. Upgrade small space laundry with the Black Plus Decker BCED 37 compact dryer, designed to plug into a standard wall outlet for easy setup. Ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, and homes with limited space, this small yet powerful dryer handles up to 13.2 pounds per load while delivering efficient, even drying. Choose from 4 versatile modes: air dry, cool, warm, and hot, to match different fabrics and care needs, from delicates to everyday cottons. The transparent window lets you monitor progress at a glance, while the simple controls make operation effortless. Its compact footprint fits neatly on countertops or can be wall-mounted to save floor space. Built with durability and safety in mind, the BCED 37 features overheat protection and reliable performance you can count on. Finished in clean white, it blends seamlessly with any decor, providing a convenient, dependable drying solution without the need for special wiring or vents. Perfect for busy lifestyles, it saves time, energy, and space while keeping clothes fresh every single day. Number 5. The Uhumi Compact Laundry Dryer is a powerful and space-saving solution designed for modern homes, apartments, dorms, and RVs. Featuring a 3.5 CUFT front-load capacity, this dryer easily handles daily laundry while maintaining a compact footprint. Its stainless steel drum ensures durability, gentle fabric care, and long-lasting performance. Powered by a 1500W heating system, it delivers efficient drying results in less time. The dryer is equipped with a user-friendly LCD control panel that allows you to select from 4 drying functions, making it suitable for different fabric types and drying needs. An included exhaust pipe helps effectively vent hot, moist air for improved performance and safety. Designed for portability, this compact dryer can be placed on a countertop, floor, or mounted, offering flexible installation options. With quiet operation, energy efficiency, and reliable performance, the Uhami Compact Laundry Dryer provides a convenient and effective drying solution for small spaces without compromising on power or quality.